Okay, we're going to be exploring the parts of the Italian foil in this video. One of these foils I have all put together currently, and one of them is conveniently disassembled for examination. So the Italian foil is different than your modern foil in a couple of different ways, which is obvious. Namely, in the presence of the arches and the ricasso. We have the blade made up of two different main portions, which is the guard, which are all these components from the actual guard portion back, and then the blade, which is of course all of the blade portions here. The blade is broken up into three different portions. We have the strong, basically thirds, strong, the medium, and the weak of the blade. The blade is also constructed past the guard of the ricasso here, which is where we actually hold on to the blade, and the tang, and then the part where the pommel connects, which is the thread portion of the blade. Along the other side of the blade, we have those strong, medium, and weak, and then also the button or nail tip of the end, which guards us from the pointy end of the blade. Now, the guard is constructed of a few components. We have the actual guard here. The arches, of course, are this area here. We have our crossbar and quillons here. We then have the pad, which goes right here. Fingers would rest up against the pad as shown. And we have the grip, which is usually made of wood or wood wrapped with leather or wire wrapped around the wood. And then the pommel, which is threaded and holds everything together. The assembly, quite simplistic. The blade goes into our guard, the grip slides on, and then the pommel tightens down. And thus we have the complete weapon assembled. Now, how we hold the sword. Our main finger, or trigger finger, whatever you would like to call it, goes along the bottom of the ricasso. The thumb goes along the top of the ricasso, and these two fingers pinch the ricasso, like so. The middle finger then comes back to press up against the arches here. The remaining two fingers grip the grip and press up against the hand and wrist. The pommel should end up residing right into this crook of your wrist, like